The Supreme Court has allowed the Puri Rath Yatra with conditions. The centre and the Orissa government has sought permission from the Supreme Court to conduct Puri Jagannath Rath Yatra with precautions. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, mentioning the matter before a bench headed by Justice Arun Mishra, said the traditions of the centuries may not be stopped. It is a matter of fate for crores. If Lord Jagannath will not come out tomorrow, he cannot come out for 12 years at per traditions. Mehta has suggested one-day curfew and participations of non-COVID priests in the Rath Yatra. Now Yatra will resume with conditions as applied to the COVID situation. The Supreme Court has allowed the Puri Rath Yatra with conditions. Now the Rath Yatra will be organized keeping in mind the norms under COVID-19 condition, including social distancing. The court has left the organizing of Rath Yatra to the Orissa government. If the Rath Yatra situation goes out of hand, the government can stop the Yatra. Court said that there will be no compromise with the health of people. Earlier seeking modification of the Supreme Court's June 18 order, staying this year's Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra, the central government had prayed that the annual event will be held without public participation. The matter was mentioned by the centre before the bench headed by Justice Arun Mishra. After the court's June 18 order, the centre as well as the state of Orissa are before the Supreme Court in support of carrying out Rath Yatra in Orissa this year, although with some restriction to prevent the spread of COVID-19. While mentioning the modification application, the state of Orissa supported the centre's plea for allowing the Rath Yatra to maintain the tradition. Solicitor General for India Tushar Mehta, appearing for the centre, suggested that the rituals may be live telecast for the devotees and a one-day curfew be imposed to ensure no large congregation takes place. If Lord Jagannath will not come out tomorrow, he cannot come out for 12 years as per traditions. While maintaining the precautions to ensure that pandemic is not spread, the state government can impose curfew for a day. All Shibates and Pandas and others who are tested negative can participate in rituals and may be decided by His Holiness Sri Shankaracharya. People may not congregate and may seek blessings on TV during live telecasts. Raja of Puri and the temple committee may supervise arrangement of these rituals. Senior advocate Harish Salve, appearing for State of Orissa, agreed with the proposal of Solicitor General. On June 18, while staying this year's Rath Yatra, the three-judge bench of Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde and Justices A.S. Bopanna and Dinesh Maheshwari has noted, a procession of this magnitude cannot be permitted at a time of a pandemic. The order was passed in a plea by rights organization Orissa Vikas Parishad, which sought a stay on the possible celebration of the annual Rath Yatra of the Puri's Jagannath Temple on June 23rd in the backdrop of increasing COVID-19 cases. It was on June 18 that a bench headed by CJI Bobde stayed the Yatra and all activities related to it, citing the risk of COVID-19 spread on account of congregation of large number of persons. The annual fest generally draws nearly 10 lakh persons. Bureau Report.